Hey y'all, come on in. My name's April Harris. I work for the UNCG biology department and I'm the greenhouse manager. Today we're standing in the teaching greenhouse, which is on the south side of the Sullivan Science Building. This whole space is about 1,500 square feet, composed of those three rooms, the tropical, the temperate, and the desert. We can alter the rooms. For the most part, we keep them in the three different climates. Right now, the temperate is set up to mimic kind of our climate here in the Piedmont of North Carolina. And if we move on over into the desert room, a lot of the times this room is used for drought experiments because it is so hot and dry. We're going to move back out, head to the tropical room. Tropical areas have very high humidity, so we have our humidity set at about 60%. Here, once again, we have collection plants. We use those a lot of the times for our plant diversity classes. And we also have our ecologies classes plants, but that's the teaching greenhouse. So this is our research greenhouse. The research greenhouse is compiled of 3 bays. This is bay 1. But what makes bay 1 special is that we have an automated watering system where the graduate students can set that up and it'll run and water their plants automatically. In bay 1 and bay 2, we also have really nice grow light. So this is bay 2. It's basically the same size as bay 1. In this bay, you can see the teff. You can see here how it flowers out, and those will produce seeds. So now we're gonna hop into bay 3. Jordan Winters has his pine study running. You can see one of them here. This is the plugs that he starts with. How does the water that comes off these different plants influence the germination of these seeds? All right, so now you've seen our teaching greenhouse, you've seen our research greenhouse. I love coming to work every day, working with our professors, working with our graduate students, making their research dreams happen. So if you want to get involved in any of this, come on out to the biology department at UNCG.